Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Stephanie and I am an eBay reseller and I do marketing full-time as my regular job, but I've been a part-time eBay reseller for over 20 years. And today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a ThredUp fun box. And the last couple fun boxes I have done have been an absolute blast, to be honest with you. I have loved the last couple boxes I've done. So the box I have today is coming from Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania, and this box cost me, I used a bunch of points that I had, it cost me $17, including shipping and tax. So $17, pretty good deal, right? It's because I spend enough money with them, so you know, that's okay. The rewards program is changing with ThredUp though, so I think that probably will be the last time that I'm going to get that good of a deal on a box. So I'm going to appreciate this one while I have it. Before I get started on this box, I did want to say this coming September 28th, I am a part of a collaboration with a lovely group of women, and that is going to be September 28th. Please keep your eyes peeled for that. We already have our videos saved. They are being set as premieres. And so we will be doing, we're going to be doing the videos, you know, one after another, starting at 2 p.m. Eastern time. So just keep your eyes peeled for that. We're doing, by the way, it's a scarf collaboration is what it is. It's a scarf collaboration. I've never done one of those before, so it's new for me. All right, should we get to this fun box? I hope it's fun. Last time I got a goofy bear theme. So I don't know. You just never know what you're going to get. You never know. And as I said, this one came from Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania. That is where they all seem to come from these days. This is a smaller box, so I don't know. Usually they're a little bit bigger. I guess that says I probably didn't get a hat. A lot of the times you will get a hat. I like getting hats. Hats really sell. People always know the kind of hat they want, so, or at least it seems that way. Okay, so we are going to try and cut this one piece of tape, just that one lonely piece of tape. Let's see. All right. We have got rescue box, fun box, 10 items. And by the way, these are $34. That's what they sell for usually. And these are items that are typically new from ThredUp, and they're items that people sent into ThredUp to sell, but ThredUp usually does not sell those items. So it's going to be like socks and bras. Usually, I mean, brand new. If you get those items, they will be brand new. And then sometimes you get slippers and other. There are some crazy things I've gotten in some of these boxes. That's what makes them fun. That's what makes them fun. I already see something. All right, here is the box. Here is a preview. And I don't know what those rubber shoes are. It reminds me of when I was a kid and the teacher said, hey, do you have your galoshes? Galoshes. Isn't that like an old word? Anyway. All right, let's start out with this thing right here, which is, ooh, oh, it looks kind of like a swim cover up. Okay, that's adorable. That is adorable. It's got long sleeves. It's kind of a sheer, like, yeah, this reminds me of a swim cover up. I don't see any. Oh, yes, I do. Yes, I do see tags right down here. Made in China. But I don't see any name tag. It's a size XL. Let's see. Matches my nails. That's good. It's a size XL. I really don't know exactly what it is. There's no other tag on it that I can see. But I think it's a swimsuit, a swim cover-up. So, kind of cute. All right. We did get a hat. We got a hat after all. But first, we're going to look at this watch. A watch. Okay. Armatron. It's an Armatron watch. And I didn't even know they made Armatron watches anymore. I remember them from the 80s. But I don't know. This is, it's a digital watch. And I don't know if it's I'll have to look this up afterwards. But it's a nice watch. It's got this kind of like one of your exercise watches, you know. That material, plasticky kind of. I don't know if it's an exercise watch or what. I don't know. But it's navy blue. And Armatron is the brand, so okay. I like getting different things. You know what? It's better than getting a bunch of stuff that's all the same, right? So, okay. That is that. Next up is Lover Beauty. Lover Beauty. whatever that means. And then this is, it's a bodysuit. And it's probably a shaper. It's probably a shaper bodysuit shaper thing. It's a size 3XL, 4XL. These usually are not cheap, but I don't know that brand name. And this does not look a 3XL, 4XL. This looks tiny, but I guess that's why it's tiny, because it holds you in. So, Lover Beauty, brand new. It says, hand wash, do not wring, do not machine wash, do not dry clean. Jeepers, lots of things you cannot do. Let me just see if the bottom part does snap. Looks like snap. So it does snap, and it's brand new tags. So if you're interested in this, and then it's got like the cup part for the front. So yeah, that's a nice item, and that will sell. That is I mean, who doesn't need a shaper, right? Yeah, that's great. All right, next up is this cute hat made of 100% paper, exclusive of trim. This is adorable. I like this. Okay, I'm gonna have to try it on. I'm gonna have to do it. Okay, no, this is kind of a no for me. This reminds me of a gardening hat, and nothing wrong with gardening. But I don't do it. Okay, it's cute. I wish I did garden. It's got this bow on it. It's a mix between a garden hat and an Easter hat. It's actually kind of cute, but I don't wear hats. Okay. All right, what do we have next? All right, well, I'm going to take out the galoshes. Oh, okay. I stand corrected. These are galoshes type things, but they're UGG. And it looks like they're overshoes. They're probably overshoes for when you... Here, I'm trying to get it up close so you can see the UGG name. These are probably overshoes for your Uggs, because Uggs are like suede-ish material. And, you don't want to get them all full of snow and ice. I can say firsthand that shoes can get ruined when you do wear that kind of stuff. I don't know what size. Oh, they're UGG. I don't see what size they are, though, is the only thing. They look new. I'm going to have to try and find the size here, because I don't see it anywhere. But this is a good find. I have a feeling these are, they're probably not that expensive, but... I don't think they're very cheap either. I think they'd probably be about medium price. Someone will buy these, so well, I'll have to find out the size. They look like maybe a size 10, something like that. That is a total guess. I'm happy with this box so far. I'm happy with this box. Supposed to get 10 items. Like I said, this was almost free for me. It was it's like $1.70 per item for my cost, because I only paid $17. Okay, little mismatched socks. 3 pairs of kind of neon colored knee socks. Those are cute. Ages 10 to 110. Okay, 3 single socks that don't match. That's what it is. I can totally appreciate that. I don't care if socks match, but you know what I do care? That they're the same thickness. I can't stand to wear one thin sock and one thick sock. That would drive me insane. So this is good. I don't care if they're the same color or pattern, but they have to be the same thickness. You probably agree with me. Who wants to wear 2 different thickness of socks? Ugh, that would be terrible. All right, next up is, I don't know what this is. It's something made in Ireland. I feel like I'm going to have to open this up. I don't know. What is it? Let's see. Made in Ireland. Kilkenny marble. Kilkenny marble. Let's see if we can open this bad boy up. Let's see. It fools your eye. It looks like it's going to be able to be opened, and then where is the bottom of it? I don't know. I feel like I'm going to waste too much time on camera, but it looks like a necklace. It looks like a necklace, and it says genuine leather, and it must be genuine leather and marble necklace. You can kind of see on top. It's kind of a Celtic type necklace. So, I don't know. Usually that kind of thing would not be very cheap, but I'm going to have to look that up. And I'll take it out of the box if I can ever figure out how to open the gall-darn thing. Someone's probably like, haha, look at it, she's opening it. She's having a hard time. Maybe they're doing it and laughing. You never know, you never know. All right, next up is Well, now this is just odd. Looks like some ties. But it doesn't feel like a tie. What is this? Size 45, made in China. This is like the longest. Okay, this is a belt. Size 45. I don't know. It's polyester kind of material, I think. Let's see. And then the other one's the same thing. These are just cheap. I mean, they're actually kind of cute. I can see doing something with them. I maybe could use them for a project or something, but you know, belts, I don't know. These belts that they sent, some of the belts that they send are just really cheap and cheesy, but I don't know. Anyway, they also smell a little bit like perfume, so they're probably going to go the way of the dinosaur. I don't like to keep perfumey things around, so they give me a headache. All right, let's see. What is next? What is next? Oh, we've got the token nylon. Oh, what? Okay. I was going to make fun. But they're Givenchy. Givenchy. Tights, nylons, body smoothers, sheer to waist pantyhose. Size A, which is like a size small. What color are they? They're like a taupe. Body smoothers, size Silver Fox is the color. I have no idea what the retail price is on these, but they are Givenchy, and I that's kind of cool. I like that. All right. I feel like we've gotten 10 already, but we're just gonna keep on going here. Got 2. Oh my gosh, this is cute. We've got this is about the cutest thing. I can't take how cute this is. This is a cute little bag. What's the brand in this? Does it have a brand? Okay, this is just adorable. I don't know. It doesn't have a brand, but it's a cute little ducky bag. It's so cute. I don't know if it's new or not. It does not look like it's had any use, but it's cute. And then we've got this other absolutely adorable one. Please don't feed me. Please don't feed me gluten. Please don't feed me gluten. Well, that's weird. I mean, I don't know why there's a duck and then don't feed me gluten. I don't know how the two fit together. I'm not putting 2 and 2 together with the duck and the gluten. I don't know a lot of gluten-free ducks. Okay, I just had to say that. But anyway, don't feed that duck gluten though. All right, and then the last item has a Neiman Marcus tag on it, which I'm absolutely not disappointed in. I mean, are you kidding me? It's got a Neiman Marcus tag on it. Okay. I am so happy with this fun box. It's a very fun box. This is great. Okay, Neiman Marcus. It looks like it's a vintagey kind of, I mean, this tag looks vintagey, doesn't it? And it was probably some kind of a promotional thing, but it's never been used. Neiman Marcus brand. It is adorable. Green fabric. It's kind of a suede-like fabric. I mean, it's like a little mini, it's a drawstring bag is what it is. And then it looks like a leather tag. That looks like real leather, but I cannot be sure. I can't tell from the smell. That was probably a purchase, a gift with purchase, but it is really, really cute. A drawstring bag. Very cool. From Nordstrom, or Neiman Marcus. That could not have been cheap to get. So we've got the pink duck bag, the cute little ducky bag. Then we've got the weird duck that doesn't eat any gluten. All right, we've got the gluten-free duck. And then we've got the Neiman Marcus bag. Then we've got these. The galoshes. The UGG galoshes. We've got the Givenchy tights, nylons, whatever you call them. We've got these weird cheap tie things. This Celtic necklace. The paper hat. Hot pink body shaper, size 3X and 4X. 3 unmatched socks. This swimsuit cover up, size XL. And last but not least, this lovely Armatron watch. I'm super, this box was absolutely fabulous for how much I paid for it. Are you kidding me? I paid $17, $1.70 each. I'm gonna do great on this box. I'm gonna make my money back and then some. So if you are interested in purchasing any of these, send me an email to mystephtyle@gmail.com. Shipping will be $6 for as many items as you want from this box. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think of the box below. And if you do like this, hit subscribe. And I do unboxings from ThredUp, and I sometimes do other unboxings, but I also do haul videos, and I talk about selling on eBay. So have a wonderful day.